Hello, today we will guide you through how to make someone co-host on Zoom meeting. If you are hosting a Zoom meeting and need another person to help manage participants, moderate discussions, or support the session, assigning host controls can be very useful. In this walkthrough, we will show you how to do that directly from the Zoom meeting window in just a few moments. To begin, open the Zoom app. Make sure you are already signed in and actively inside the meeting where you want to give someone additional control. This process is done during the meeting itself, so you will need to be the current host in order to change another participant's role. Once your meeting is open, look toward the bottom of the Zoom screen and click on Participants. This opens the participant panel where you can see everyone who has joined the meeting. If your screen layout looks a little different, don't worry. In most Zoom versions, the Participants option is located in the main toolbar at the bottom. Moving your mouse may help reveal the toolbar if it is hidden. After the participant list appears, find the person you want to update. Next to that participant's name, click the three-dot menu. This is the More Options menu, and it gives you access to actions you can take for that specific attendee. Take a moment here to make sure you are selecting the correct person before continuing, especially if several participants have similar display names. From the menu that appears, click on Make a Host. Zoom will then transfer host privileges to that participant. This means they will take over the main host role and gain access to the controls that come with it. Before you do this, it is a good idea to be certain you want to pass hosting responsibilities, since this is different from simply giving someone limited assistance features. If your goal is specifically to make someone a co-host, keep in mind that Zoom may present a separate co-host option depending on your account settings and meeting setup. However, in the process shown here, the option selected is Make a Host, which passes the host role to that participant. And that's it. You have successfully used the participant controls in Zoom to assign hosting privileges during a meeting. This is a quick way to hand over control when someone else needs to manage the session.